Hey everybody, we're going to show you our new roof rack setup. This is Martin Off-Road. It's a half roof rack. So basically it starts from the front and will stop directly almost below the GFC camper. So you've got nothing in that section. But I'll show you what we did here. We have a Pelican vault case which holds some cool gear, and then on top of here we have the Max Tracks. It's called the Light. So if you're familiar with Max Tracks, there's a standard Max Tracks which is fairly large, and then you have the Max Track Mini, and in between the two of those you have the Light. So this actually fits this box perfectly. I could put 4 on here if I wanted to, and it's super low profile. Just nice place to put it out of the way in case it gets muddy or whatever. You can throw it back on the roof. But really loving this Martin Off-Road rack. Very nice. So highly recommend that.